Hello! On the last video we did a full unboxing of this Break X1 karaoke system. To see the video, click more from TechScrew. But today, together, we're going to take a look and test this Ikarao Break X1 all-in-one karaoke party system. This system has what the audio market has been waiting for. It's portable, built-in battery and can run anywhere. Screen with Android OS, various disco lighting effects. 2 wireless microphones and a decent sized speaker drivers. This karaoke speaker is equipped with convenient physical buttons for the main functions. Hidden behind the rubber cover on the back are many useful inputs and outputs. HDMI out, so you can also back up your onboard tablet content to your TV or projector. USB flash and memory card input for your favorite songs. Aux out for a large music system or audio record. Aux in for an external sound source. And the best bonus is 2 inputs for guitars or extra microphones, with each input having its own gain. 220-volt charging socket is located below this input block. There are built-in handles on the side of the speaker to make it easier to lift, as well as serious-looking metal fixings on the side where the shoulder strap attaches, so that the speaker is easier to move larger distances and both hands are free. What you see is not a cover, a large Android tablet, which is also rotatable for different viewing angles. It is ingenious. Rotatable tablet. Because as we know, needs can be all sort of things. With this kind of thing, it will be easy to find the best viewing angle. Underneath the tablet are both cordless mic storage and charging sockets, as well as mic setting and singing mode panel, in which your voice can be changed and customized. For the first time, let's turn on this all-in-one party speaker system. While it's booting up, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the TechScrew channel so we can meet you in other useful and practical home tech videos. All the speaker configuration is done from this Android tablet. Even though it is Android OS, the App Store is the same as in case of Android Smart TV. It is quite limited. The good news is that with the help of USB stick, this tablet can install apps from APK files. But don't worry, the tablet has everything you need to enjoy music and karaoke entertainment. The speaker has built-in disco lighting effects, which you can adjust to your liking or simply turn off. A handy feature is HDMI out, where you can play what's happening on the karaoke system, on a big TV, or even on a projector in the garden. Getting started with the Break X1 karaoke machine is easy. Just remove the microphone from the charging socket, hold the power button and you're ready to sing. Use the plus and minus buttons on the microphone to change the mic sensitivity or volume. A short press of the mic power button changes the mic sound effect. There are different ones, up to the possibility to adjust your own voice. Then turn on your favorite karaoke song and start the fun. Children love singing using the Ikarao system, as there are microphone modes with cartoon and monster sound effects. Adults also like to sing using this system, because it's very easy to start using this speaker for karaoke. Wherever you go, this karaoke system will always have a place. It can also be used as a movie night system in nature or as a Bluetooth speaker anywhere. I like the sound of this speaker. It is balanced and very enjoyable. If you want to hear the Ikarao Break X1 sound and bass test for yourself, click more from TechScrew. I don't even know what else to add. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video. But for now, I'm off to do some outdoor yoga with this speaker. Bye!